Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare TradingView versus Quotex. TradingView provides comprehensive tools for in-depth market analysis, ideal for traders who need detailed charts and indicators. Quotex, on the other hand, focuses on a streamlined experience for digital options, emphasizing quick execution and simplicity. We'll explore their core functionalities, user interfaces, and target audiences to help you decide which platform best suits your trading style. TradingView stands out with its powerful charting capabilities. You can utilize hundreds of indicators and drawing tools to perform extensive technical analysis across various asset classes. It also integrates with many popular brokers, allowing you to execute trades directly from your charts. Plus, its active social network lets you discover new ideas and collaborate with other traders globally. Quotex offers a straightforward approach to digital options trading. With a minimum deposit of just $10, it's highly accessible for new traders. The platform's intuitive interface is built for speed, allowing for rapid trade execution. You can potentially earn high payouts, up to 90%, on correct market predictions, making it an appealing choice for those seeking quick returns. Ultimately, your choice depends on your trading goals. If you value in-depth analysis, extensive tools, and a strong community, TradingView is likely your platform. For those focused on simple, fast digital options trading with high potential payouts, Quotex could be a better fit. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.